Good morning. For your sources of energy assignment, what I'd like you to do is go and make Google Sheets. Okay, so you click on your little, they're called a waffle. I don't know why it's called a waffle. And then you find this Sheets button. Okay, so start with that. Then click a new blank one. Okay, and the first thing we always do is we put the title on. Okay, so let's call this Sources of Energy. Okay, and then you push share. Okay, I know it's backwards. You're like, but I'm not finished. That doesn't matter. Okay, you always hand it in first. Okay, so you put Amber Wojciak, and you spell it properly, @learn, please. Okay, share it with my @learn account. And then you push done. Okay, and the reason why this is a nice program, we could also do it in tables, I guess, in Word, but that's all right. Let's just do it here. Okay, is because you have boxes. And you can make them bigger and smaller like this. Okay, see? And you can make your columns bigger and smaller. Okay, so let's title it Sources of Energy. Okay, and let's put solar, wind, geothermal, nuclear, hydro, we should do this in partners. Good idea. And you have less work to do. Okay, solar, wind, geothermal, nuclear, hydro, coal, oil, natural gas. Okay, so when you have the advantages and disadvantages box, they kind of lump in together. Okay, so those are the sources of energy. Now let's put image. Well, maybe not image. It might be hard to insert. Let's put how it works. Okay, energy conversion. Conversion. Okay, like is it chemical to mechanical, mechanical to chemical, physical, or like what's going on there, electrical. Okay, and pros, that's advantages, and cons, which is disadvantages. Okay, and so you make a lovely little chart and fill it up. And that's okay if the words kind of run over to the edge. Okay, I'll just click on each one. Let's see if that even happens. That's okay if the words don't stay in the box. Yeah, okay, see how if they kind of run over onto the other side? Okay, so your options are to either make your boxes bigger, okay, but you don't have to. Okay, I'll just click over like this when I'm looking at them. Okay, yeah, so I might add one more because I feel like there's one more that I didn't put, but maybe not. Okay, so those are your instructions. I will go to the chat and you guys can dibs partners, and otherwise I'll just assign you a partner. Awesome.